As we all know that to streamline the recruitment process in India, Union Cabinet approved setting up the National Recruitment Agency. The new agency will conduct a common eligibility test or CET to select candidates for non-gazetted posts in the central government and public sector banks. The agency will conduct a common entrance test for Staff Selection Commission or SSC and the Institute of Banking and Personal Selections or IBPS and Railway Recruitment Board or RRB. For performing the National Recruitment Agency, the central government sanctioned more than 1500 crores, the union's government said in a statement. The aim of a common entrance test is to eliminate multiple tests and save precious time as well as resources. Commenting on the benefits of one common test, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi said, the National Recruitment Agency will prove to be a boon for crores of youngsters. Now let's have a look at some important points. Number 1. The National Recruitment Agency will conduct the preliminary examinations for Group B for non-gazetted posts, Group C for non-technical posts and clerical posts in the governments along with various equivalent recruitment in public sector banks. Number 2. There will be a separate CET each for 3 levels of graduate, higher secondary and matriculate candidates. Number 3. Based on the screening done at the CET score level, final selection for recruitment shall be made through separate specialized tiers, second, third, etc. of examinations which shall be conducted by the respective recruitment agencies. Number 4. The score of CET will be valid for 3 years. There shall be no restriction on the number of attempts to be taken by a candidate to appear in the CET, subject to the upper age limit, the statement said. Number 5. The central government said in a statement, the curriculum for this test would be common as would be the standard. This would greatly ease the burden of candidates who are at present required to prepare for each of the examinations separately as per different curriculum. Number 6. Candidate would have the facility of registering on a common portal and give a choice of centers. Based on the availability, they would be allotted centers. Number 7. The CET would be available in a number of languages. This would greatly facilitate people from different parts of the country to take the exams and have equal opportunities of being selected, it further said. Number 8. The NRA will set up examination centers in every district of the country to help youth, especially women from rural and far-flung areas of the country, as they won't be required to travel to another place to take recruitment tests, the Union Cabinet said in a statement. Number 9. Women candidates, especially from rural areas, face constraint in appearing in multiple examinations, as they have to arrange for transportation and places to stay in places that are far away, the government said. Number 10. This would go a long way in mitigating the hardship of candidates who spend a considerable amount of time, money and efforts preparing and giving these examinations every year, the cabinet said in a statement. I hope you will get required information, so please share this video to your friends and colleagues so that they will also get benefited. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.